Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Here's a comparison dialogue between two speakers, focusing on the features of the Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine with LatteGo and the DeLonghi Magnifica XS fully automatic espresso and cappuccino machine. All right, let's dive into these espresso machines. First up, the Philips 3200 series with LatteGo Model EP 3246/74. It's got that sleek silver look. What are your first impressions?
I'm drawn to the DeLonghi Magnifica XS ECAM 22.110 SB, also silver, but I've heard it's a real space saver, which is key for smaller kitchens. Plus, it's currently on sale for around $500, down from $600.
Yeah, both are fully automatic, which is a game changer for busy mornings. No more fiddling around. Exactly. The Philips is all about one-touch convenience. It claims you can whip up 5 different coffee types: espresso, coffee, cappuccino, latte macchiato, with a single button press.
The DeLonghi takes a slightly different approach. It lets you customize the settings to your exact preference. Think of it as being your own barista, dialing in the strength and cup size. It has 5 coffee strength settings, from extra mild to extra strong.
The LatteGo system on the Philips is pretty interesting. They say it creates silky smooth milk froth using cyclonic frothing, and the best part? It's only 2 parts and cleans in like 15 seconds. Huge win.
The DeLonghi uses a manual cappuccino system. It gives you more control over the frothing process, which some people prefer. You can really get that foam exactly how you like it. And speaking of control, the DeLonghi boasts a burr grinder with 13 adjustable settings. That's a lot of fine-tuning.
The Philips isn't far behind with 12 grinder settings. But here's a key difference. The Philips uses ceramic grinders, which they claim are super durable and good for at least 20,000 cups. That's a lot of coffee.
The DeLonghi also grinds fresh beans right before brewing, which is essential for flavor. Plus, you have the option to use pre-ground coffee, which is handy if you want a decaf option.
The Philips has this aroma extract system that intelligently balances brewing temperature and aroma extraction, keeping the water between 90 and 98 degrees Celsius. Sounds fancy.
The DeLonghi focuses on consistent brewing, ensuring each cup is at the perfect temperature and richness. It also has a removable brew unit for easy cleaning.
One thing that stands out with the Philips is the AquaClean filter. They say you can brew up to 5,000 cups without descaling, which is a major time saver.
The DeLonghi is designed for easy cleaning too. The compact, extractable brew unit is easy to rinse, and the machine self-adjusts for 1 or 2 shots of espresso. So it really boils down to your priorities. Do you want ultimate convenience with the Philips automatic frothing and minimal descaling? Or do you prefer the customization and control offered by the DeLonghi's manual frother and adjustable settings?
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.